beside to the name on LinkedIn, you might have seen that sometimes it has been written second, sometimes it has been written third, and sometimes it has been written first. Why this is the case? Why some profiles have written second? Why some profiles have written third, or other profiles have written first? That is because this is LinkedIn's algo, where you have first degree, second degree, and third degree connections. But now, what are first degree, second degree, and third degree connections? To explain that part, I will be using this drawing board where there are four people, right? So let me just name them. There is A, then there is B, then there is C, and then there is D. Now, whenever you connect on LinkedIn with someone, let's say A and B gets connected with each other. Now, A has accepted the connection request. So let's say B has accepted the connection request of A. So now they both are connected on LinkedIn. That is where the first degree connection becomes. So now this is the first degree connection. So you see in my case, beside to the Vanshika Kakkar name, it has been written first because I am connected to Vanshika Kakkar on LinkedIn. I can simply message her that I want to, because you can see that we have been connected on LinkedIn. That is why it has been written first. Now, what about the second? Why it is written over here second, and why this is the third case? So again, let's go back. Now, let's say in the case of B, B is connected to C. B is connected to C. So B and C both are first degree connection for each other. But I am not connected to C right now. I am not connected to C right now. I'm not connected. But B is already connected to C. So B is my connection. C is the connection of B. That means I have a mutual between me, that is A, and C. And when there's a mutual, that connection becomes second degree connection. So in my case, this Marvin is showing me second because I have like 18 mutuals between me and him. So Stephen is there, Mladen is there, and 16 other people are also there. So between him and me, there are 18 mutuals, and that is where this is a second degree connection. You see, when there is a mutual between you and the other person, then that becomes second degree connection. Now, what do I understand by the third degree connection? Third degree connection means, now you see, A is connected to B, B is connected to C, but A is not connected to C, right? So A and C will be second degree. Cool. Now this will be second degree connection. Okay. Now C and D are connected. C and D are connected. When C and D are connected, so they becomes the first degree connection. But B and D is not connected. B and D is not connected, right? B and D is not connected, and I am also not connected with C. So there is no connection between D and me. I am only connected to B, and B is also not connected to D. D is only connected to C. Only D is connected to C. D is not connected to B, D is not connected to A. So when there is no mutual between me and the other person, then that connection becomes my third degree connection. So you see, there are no mutuals between me and Marvin. This Marvin, that is why this is a third degree connection for me, because we don't have any mutuals. I don't know C, I don't know D, and there is no mutual between me and D. That is why there is a third degree connection. But between me and C, there is a mutual, that is B. When there is a mutual between you and the other person, that becomes a second degree connection. So A and C will have a second degree connection because there is a mutual B. But between A and D, there is no mutual. That is why that becomes the third degree connection. I hope this is pretty much clear to you what are first degree, second degree, and third degree connections. And if you want to understand more about LinkedIn, then you just need to go YouTube, and then you need to type down my username, which is Rohan Gulati 504. And then if you go into the videos section, you can see I've created multiple videos on LinkedIn: how to build your viral personal brand on LinkedIn, how to write a LinkedIn headline, and how I got 4 million impressions on LinkedIn in 90 days, guys. So if you want to understand more about LinkedIn, you can go to my channel and you can also subscribe to this channel, or maybe you can comment down under this video and I will be happy to assist you further.